Hey, hello everybody. This is the next of the challenge series, and this one is about your technology and more specifically, be in the moment. One of the things that I am is I'm a big old nerd. I love technology. To me, it's one of the greatest things out there. It helps make me more efficient, helps me save time, helps me focus on the things I need to focus on. That is when I actually allow it to do that and not kind of take over my life. One of the things that kind of amazes me is you go walk around in public, how people are looking down at their devices at all times. You sit in restaurants or sitting more at your devices in front of people in front of them. You do see a lot of things along those natures. So in short, the simple challenge this week is be in the moment. When you are with somebody, put your technology down. Turn your watch off. We all have smartwatches now. Actually, personally, smartwatches drive me nuts. They're just a big old distraction for me. But be in the moment. Be there for your folks. Be there for the people that you are with. Show them that you are there. Show them that you are listening. Show that you care. Put the devices away. If you really want to take a challenge up and take that step up this time, I saw this one time and I thought it was really neat. Put your phones in the middle of the table. The first person to touch that phone has to buy that meal. So here's the challenge for this week. Be in the moment. Put your phones down in the chat box. Do it for this weekend. Tell me how it went. Tell me what you got out of it. See how things have helped or not helped for you. Until the next one.